Good afternoon everybody, it's Angela from Wiley's Travel Adventures. Well, it's a sad day today. This is my last time up at Auchenlarie as we sold our caravan. Yeah, mixed emotions really. A bit of a burden that's lifted off me, but also very sad because obviously we like it up here, the views and everything, but we're not up here enough to warrant the site fees, so that's why we're leaving. But at least now I can concentrate on getting my vlogs, getting my vlogging channel up and running. I need just quite a few more subscribers to hit the 500. But yeah, I can start going other places, doing other things, staying in hotels. We're going to Salou in October, so there'll be lots of vlogs coming from there. But yeah, very sad. I'll bring David into the picture here. He's just carrying a bag and my cardigan. He's back tomorrow, finishing it off because I'm at work.
Hi everybody.
I've got a few words.
A bit sad today, but yeah, as Angela said, onwards and upwards, and a few more vlogs from Angela.
Yeah.
And
yeah, because I'm pretty serious about my vlogging channel and I wanted to go, you know, further. So lots of places we'll be visiting before long once we've got over the sad bit.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
there we go.
I thought we'd give you an update on what's happening.
So I don't think I'll be seeing you again until Salou.
Yeah, unless we go somewhere before Salou. We've got a month, but I've got a lot of extra shifts at work, so I'm not sure what's happening yet. But yeah, we might slip in a weekend, a few days in Blackpool before we go to Salou. Who knows?
Who knows?
But yeah, at least we can go to other places now.
Exactly. Yep.
You know,
exactly. Yep.
and take you along for the journeys and things and our trials and tribulations, going on rides and things. Yeah, so we'll see you all soon.
Bye bye.
And bye from Auchenlarie. You've been good. Bye.